Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that XEFF token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, XEFFY is a vault management and real-world assets RWA platform. By combining institutional grade vault strategies with dedicated on-chain RWA infrastructure, XEFFY has built a comprehensive assets management solution and RWA ecosystem. A product lineup is built around four pillars: a vault, institutional grade yield, RWA, tokenized real world assets, payment, and a stablecoin. These are progressively unified into one total XEFFY app, a super app that houses these D apps. Every product routes a portion of its real revenue into XEF buyback and burn, so ecosystem uses structurally reduces XEF supply over time. XEFFY token total supply is 6 billion and circulating supply is around 1.49 billion XEF token. XEF token is listed on MEXC and other exchanges. If I share my opinion, then project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.